Established in 2014, KITRONYX has been dedicated to delivering top-quality products. In 2016, we received Venture Business Certification. In 2018, we were selected for the Product Process Technology Development Project. In 2020, we were chosen for the Robot Industry Core Technology Development Project. In 2023, we secured Pre-A investment and were chosen for Deep Tech Tips. KITRONYX has continuously grown through various trials and research efforts. Our flagship product is Pressure Scan, which consists of a sensor, controller, and software. When pressure is applied to the sensor, the controller detects the pressure change in real time, converts it into digital data, and transmits it to the software. The software then recognizes the digital data and displays it on the screen in real time. KITRONYX products are used in various pressure applications, including batteries, semiconductors, electronic product, automobiles, printing processes, injection and press processes, and healthcare. Pressure indicating film was traditionally used to assess equipment flatness. However, its visual confirmation lacks objectivity, and paper's nature makes long-term data storage challenging. KITRONYX provides a new solution that addresses the problems of pressure indicating film. By introducing Pressure Scan, it is possible to automatically determine pass-fail based on preset criteria using quantified flatness data. This ensures inspection objectivity based on clear standard, and has the advantage of permanently storing measurement data for continuous use. Although there is an initial setup cost, Pressure Scan is semi-permanent compared to the one-time use of pressure indicating film, making it more economical in the long run. KITRONYX holds proprietary technology for our products, with extensive application experience and custom development capability, giving us a superior competitive advantage over other companies.